Doing a starter on a Liberty with a 3.7. There's Goose-Grip mechanics work light hooked up to the lower part of the front windshield with the bendable gooseneck going under the hood, and then I'm changing the starter. There's the 12-inch light stick hovering next to my starter, not in my way. When I go under there, everything is illuminated like a movie theater, and I don't have to worry about my light moving or falling, and I can work with both my hands. Now we'll go under and take a look at what it looks like underneath from the top. So now here's my starter. I'm able to work on it unencumbered, and there is what it looks like with the light hanging down from above. Out of my way. I don't have to try to find metal and stand my 15-inch high, 2-inch wide flip light somewhere where it won't get close enough to what I need to see. Anyway, there's Goose-Grip. It's available on Goose-Grip.com very soon, in a few days. I ran out of inventory. Anyway, I'm out.